Hello everyone, welcome back to my fluency journey, and in this video we are translating some basic Hindi sentences from Hindi to English. So yeah, let's start and do this exercise with me. So yeah, we will learn so much something new words and some vocabulary which we can use in our daily basis, right? On daily basis. तुमने कल की मीटिंग में क्या कहा था? What did you say in in yesterday in yesterday's meeting, right? Yesterday's meeting. अगर वह समय पर आता तो हम निकल चुके होते. If he if he आता, like हम निकल चुके होते. If he was on time, if he was on if he was on time, then we निकल चुके. We will be gone. We would be we would be we will be gone. We would be gone. If he was online, we will start. हम निकल चुके होते हैं. What do you say? निकल चुकना. निकलना. I'm going. Like मैं निकल रहा हूँ. वो मैं जा रहा हूँ. मैं निकल रहा हूँ. It's like two different things, right? I'm going and I'm मैं निकल रहा हूँ. Bye bye. And मैं निकल रहा हूँ. Which is, I don't know. If he was on time, then we would be gone. Let's say, okay, we'll see answer in chat. Will type. मैं तुम्हारी ईमानदारी की बहुत कदर करता हूँ. I really appreciate your intelligence. Your not intelligence. ईमानदारी is your really appreciate your honesty, right? Honesty. ये काम जितना दिखता है उतना आसान नहीं है. Uh, this work is not easy as it looks, right? This work is not easy as it looks. जितना दिखता है. This work seems this work seems easy, but as it looks, right? I don't think हमें समय रहते फैसला लेना होगा. हमें समय रहते फैसला लेना होगा. We need to take decision. We need to take decision before time. We need to take decision before time, right? In time or before time. In time. In time. देखिए, let's see. क्या तुमने उसे अपने इरादे के बारे में बताया? अपने इरादे, your decisions or your, okay, let's see. Did you say? Did you talk with him? Did you talk with him? Did you talk to him about your desires or about your decisions? Iradatis. About your decisions. मेरी तबीयत आज थोड़ी ख़राब लग रही है. My I'm feeling bad today. I'm feeling I'm feeling bad today. और मेरी तबीयत आज थोड़ी ख़राब लग रही है. My health is not good, right? My health is not good today. We can use these two, right? Okay. My health is not good today. It's not good today. Okay. क्या तुम मुझे समझा सकती हो कि ये कैसे काम करता है? Could you explain me that could you explain me how how it works? How it works? Could you explain me how it works? Explain me how it works. ये फिल्म मेरे उम्मीदों से बेहतर थी. This movie is above my expectations. Expectation. above my expectations. Yeah, this movie was right because we're talking in past. मतलब अच्छी थी right. This movie was above my expectation. क्या तुमने मेरी फाइल कहीं देखी है? Have you? Do you? Do you see? Do you see my file anywhere? Do you see my file anywhere? इस बार मैं कोई गलती नहीं करना चाहता. इस बार मैं कोई गलती नहीं करना चाहता. Okay. I don't wanna do. चाहता हूँ. I don't want. I don't want to do any mistake. Mistake this time. I don't want to do any mistake this time. I don't wanna do any mistake this time, right? वह हर बात को दिल से लगा लेता है. He is very emotional. Okay. Or what other thing we can say about it? He has a very pure heart, or he's he picks word too quickly, or he her बात को. Okay, let's see. He is very emotional. हम सब ने मिलकर उस प्रोजेक्ट पर काम किया. We all together. We worked all together on that project. उस project. We worked all together on that project. हम सब ने बोला ठीक है. तुम्हें अपनी जिम्मेदारियां खुद निभानी चाहिए. You should be aware of your responsibilities, or you should follow your responsibilities. You should be responsible for your. You should nibhana. Like I'm doing job. मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. I'm doing my responsibilities. You should do your responsibilities. You should fulfill your responsibilities. You should fulfill. It's not a fulfillment, right? What you can say? You should fulfill your responsibilities. You should do your responsibilities. No one is doing their responsibility. This is your responsibility. You should do that work. Okay, you should do your responsibilities. Let's see the answers. You should. Okay. What did you say in yesterday's meeting? Yesterday's meeting. Just change meetings. Oh, I already. What did you say? If he had come on time, we would have left. Third conditional, so had plus would have. If he was on time. Oh, if he had come on time, we would have left. अगर वो टाइम पे आता तो हम निकलना मतलब left. We have left. I have left the room. मैं रूम से निकल चुका हूँ. I'm going to room. No. Oh, now you know. Now you remember that how to use the left instead of going right. We would have gone right. Okay, we would be gone. So if he had come on time, we would have left. It's a third condition, right? I know that because I already done the grammar lesson on that. Yeah, I really appreciate your honesty. This word is not as easy as it looks. It's as easy as it looks. Correctly remind us. Add as, not as easy. It's not easy as it looks. It's not as easy as it looks. We need to make a decision in time. Oh, I know that in time, but yeah, I know. I'm a bit confused in between, or I'm a bit confused between in time or before time. So yeah, we need to make a decision in time, right? On time. Did you talk to him about your intentions? Okay, vocabulary. Instead of decisions, maybe better depending on context. Did you talk to him? Did you talk to him about? Did you talk to him about your intentions? Did you talk to him about your intentions? क्या तुमने उसके इरादे means intentions. Oh, it's not decisions. What are his intentions regarding doing this? Oh, I'm trying to keep everything under control. I'm trying that all stay fine. Everything under control. I think I messed it, right? मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि मैं सब कुछ ठीक रहे. मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि सब कुछ ठीक रहे. I'm trying to keep everything under control, right? To keep everything under control, better than literal. I'm trying that all stay fine. Okay. I'm feeling a bit unwell today. Unwell is slightly more advanced than bad. I'm feeling a bit unwell today. I'm feeling bad today. I'm feeling bit unwell. Bad is not about your health, but unwell is well, or unwell is, yeah, more related to your health. So yeah. Could you explain to me how it works? Could you explain to me how it works? Use explain to me, not explain me. Could you explain me? I think I could. You explain to me how it works. Okay. This movie was better than I expected. Above my expectations is also acceptable but a bit formal. This movie was better than I expected. This movie was above my expectations, right? Yeah. Have you seen my file anywhere? Have you seen? Have you seen my file anywhere? Have you seen what I did? Do you see? Do you see my file anywhere? Okay. देखिए, I am feeling a bit unwell today. Okay. I don't want to make any mistake this time. I don't want to make any mistake this time. Use make a mistake. I don't want to your version do any mistake. Make a mistake. We can't do mistake. We make a mistake, right? Yeah, now I understood. So okay. I don't want to make any mistake. So okay, I don't make any mistake. Instead of make mistake, we should use I don't do any mistakes. So I do. I don't do. I don't. Yeah, what I write on this. I don't want to do any mistake. I don't want to do any mistake. So I don't want to make any mistake this time, right? He takes everything to heart. वो सबको दिल पे लगा लेता है. Great expression, very natural. 13. He is very emotional. He takes everything to heart. I think we say that this. He takes everything to heart. We all worked together on that project. We all worked together. We all worked together on that project. You should take responsibility for yourself. You should take responsibility for yourself. Okay. Your version is do your responsibilities. Sounds robotic. Take responsibilities or handle responsibility. You should handle your responsibilities. Nibhana. Yeah, handle. You should take your responsibilities. You should not leave your responsibility. Yeah. Now I got it. So, okay. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, My Fluency Journey, and I will be bringing such more content. So please like, share, and subscribe. And bye bye. See you soon in the next video.